Lancia's long-awaited electric Ypsilon made its debut on February 14, bringing a wave of updates including detailed specs, pricing, and fresh insights. The revival of the Lancia brand, once neglected but now eagerly anticipated, has commenced with the unveiling of its inaugural electric vehicle. Despite a few mishaps along the way, such as a reported prototype mishap and a production model caught filming an advert prematurely, the launch marks a significant step forward. The fourth-generation Ypsilon utilizes familiar hardware from the Stellantis group, shared with models like the Peugeot 208 and Opel Corsa. However, it distinguishes itself with uniquely styled body panels and interior design, infused with distinct Italian charm. The subcompact model, known as Super- in Europe, debuted in an EV-exclusive launch edition named the Cassina. Lancia plans to produce 1,906 units of the Ypsilon Cassina, paying homage to the brand's founding year. The Ypsilon showcases Lancia's new design language, featuring an illuminated, callus grille and round taillights inspired by the iconic Lancia Stratos. These elements, first previewed by the Peugeot Plus RA HPE concept, will become standard across all future models. Inside, the emphasis is on high-quality materials and unique design features reminiscent of an Italian living room, with contributions from the Italian furniture brand Cassina. Notable features include velvet-upholstered seats with a nostalgic, cannelloni motif and a circular center console resembling a coffee table. The Ypsilon introduces Lancia's Sala, sound air light augmentation, infotainment system, featuring dual 10.25-inch screens and an AI-enhanced virtual assistant. Lancia boasts advanced ADAS tech, making the Ypsilon the only model in its segment with Level 2 autonomous driving capability as standard. Other technology highlights include lighting and parking aid systems. Measuring 4.08 m in length, 1.76 m in width, and 1.44 m in height, the Ypsilon aligns with modern B-segment models. The fully electric version boasts a 154 horsepower motor and a 51 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering a WLTP range of up to 403 kilometers. Charging from 20 to 80% takes just 24 minutes with a compatible DC charger. Following the electric variant, a hybrid version will be introduced before Lancia transitions to an EV-only brand. Pricing for the Ypsilon limited edition Cassina starts at €39,999, including an easy wallbox home charging system and a 3-year per 30,000 kilometers warranty. The Ypsilon limited edition Cassina is now available for order in Italy and will tour Italian showrooms. The brand's expansion into more European markets will follow, starting with Belgium and the Netherlands in mid-2024 and expanding to France, Spain, and Germany by 2025, based on local demand and online sales volume.